Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making puzzle piece picture frames. The supplies we need for this craft are 4 popsicle sticks, glue, puzzle pieces, a piece of white paper, a pen, and scissors. First, we're going to take the popsicle sticks and we're going to glue them. So lay one like this. And stick it on. And let it sit and dry for a few minutes. And then you can use any puzzle pieces, but I tried to use bright colors for mine. So I'm going to pick out the brighter colors and we're going to glue them kind of different ways to the popsicle sticks. And you can use as many or as few as you want. And we're going to do this for grandparents because Grandparents' Day is in September. And you can put them however you want. You can do diagonal or straight up and down, or make each side look different. And I'm going to put more than some people on. Just get the whole thing full. See how it's coming together already? It's looking pretty cute. Just a few more, maybe like 6 more. And then we're gonna make a tag, and you can put anything you want to say to your grandparents. If you want to just write, "I love you," or "You're the best." I'm sure they'll love it. And it might take the popsicle sticks a minute to dry, so try not to touch them too much. One more. There we go. And I'm gonna make a tag. And I'm going to put "I love you" to pieces. And then we'll glue that on the front of it. And And I wouldn't pick it up right away. I would still leave it sitting so it can do well, because it's going to be a little hard to stick. And there's your puzzle piece picture frame. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.